Positive affirmations are short, positive statements aimed at challenging and overcoming self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. By using positive affirmations, individuals can rewire their thinking patterns, cultivate a more optimistic mindset, and ultimately improve their overall well-being. These affirmations act as a catalyst for self-improvement, empowering individuals to shift their focus towards their strengths and potential. As the mind believes what it is told most frequently, positive affirmations can play a pivotal role in reshaping beliefs and perceptions. They are a potent tool for fostering self-love, confidence, and resilience, creating a foundation for personal growth and development. Positive affirmations have a profound impact on our brain's neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. When consistently practiced, positive affirmations can activate the brain's reward centers and the production of feel-good hormones, such as dopamine and serotonin. This process helps in gradually shifting our thought patterns towards a more constructive and optimistic outlook. Through neuroplasticity, our brains can adapt, change, and form new beliefs, enabling us to embrace more positive thoughts and beliefs. Understanding this scientific basis emphasizes the potential of positive affirmations in transforming our mindset and reshaping our perception of the world. Crafting effective affirmations requires aligning them with specific, personal goals and aspirations. They should be framed in the present tense, using positive language, and reflecting what we want to manifest in our lives. Emphasizing the emotional connection to the affirmations enhances their impact, as strong emotions reinforce the subconscious acceptance of the statements. Furthermore, keeping affirmations concise and specific ensures clarity of intent, making them more actionable and achievable. Understanding these key principles empowers individuals to create affirmations that deeply resonate with their innermost desires, fueling motivation and self-belief on their journey towards personal fulfillment. Incorporating affirmations into daily practice involves strategic integration into routines, such as incorporating them into morning rituals, using them during meditation or mindfulness exercises, and repeating them throughout the day. Additionally, leveraging visual aids like sticky notes or digital reminders serves as constant reinforcement. Consistency is key, as repeated exposure to affirmations solidifies their influence on mindset and behavior. By seamlessly integrating affirmations into daily rituals and leveraging various practical methods, individuals can maximize the transformative impact of these positive statements on their self-improvement journey. Consistent practice of positive affirmations yields a multitude of benefits, elevating various aspects of mental and emotional well-being. By instilling self-assurance and optimism, affirmations boost confidence and nurture a resilient mindset. Moreover, they serve as effective stress reduction tools, mitigating the impact of daily pressures and promoting inner calm. Embracing a positive mindset through affirmations creates fertile ground for personal growth, empowering individuals to overcome obstacles and pursue their aspirations with unwavering determination. Understanding and harnessing these benefits highlights the significance of integrating affirmations into daily life as a potent catalyst for holistic self-improvement.